Hi, hello, magandang araw po sa lahat. Welcome back po sa ating panibagong video.
Subscribe po sa inyo yung beep beep po natin.
Ang video po ito is naghahatid po sa inyo ng kaunting kalaman or basic tips sa ating mga motor. Sa nakikita po ninyo mga ka-basic tips, ito po yung the all new Xrm125 Unleash the Xrm Special Edition.
So ayan, hindi ko na pagkakagalin pa mga ka-basic tips. Papakita ko sa inyo ang basic specification and general information ng ating Dual Sport Extreme 125 Honda.
Specification Dual Sport Extreme. Engine type 4-stroke single overhead cam or SOHC.
Bore extra
52.4 by
7.9
57mm. Maximum power 7.12 kilowatts at 7.500 revolution per minute. Maximum torque 9.55 Newton meter at 6.500 revolution per minute.
Starting system, electric and kickstarter. Start.
Transmission type 4-speed constant mesh.
Gear shift pattern, rotary, neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, and fourth gear.
And for suspension type, front telescopic.
And
For the suspension
type rear swing arm. For the
brake type,
front disc
disc brake. For the brake
type
rear,
disc brake.
for the tire size, front 2.50 by 1743L. And for the tire size, rear 2.50 by 1743L. And for the wheel type, wire spoke.
And
For the wheelbase,
is
1,200
139
millimeter. For overall dimension, length by width by height.
and
For the curb weight,
is 100
4
kilogram.
and
And for the seat
height
770
75 millimeter.
meter. And for
The
the
ground clearance
145
145 millimeter. For the fuel
system PGMFI
PGMFI
3
compliant.
and
For battery type,
12 volts
3EXM.
F wet.
For the fuel tank capacity is 3.9 liters.
And for the engine oil capacity is 0.9 liters.
And for the
Automatic headlight
light on,
or EXO
XO,
liquid.
And the fuel consumption is 65.4 km per liter. So ayan mga ka-basic tips, hanggang dito na lang, sana ay nakatulong sa inyo. Oops mga ka-basic tips, at kung napadaan po kayo sa aking channel, pwede po bang makahingi ng maraming likes, subscribe at pakikalimbang na rin sa aking kampana para sa tuwing nag-upload ako ng ating bagong video, ikaw at ikaw ang unang makakita ng aking mga video. At please don't skip my ads, mga ka-basic tips. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Hanggang dito na lang. Ride safe, riders. Bye bye.